Hi guys, and welcome to another video. My name is Renee. Oh my gosh, hold on, a little bit more human. I've been in the garden all day and I just got back in. Well, you can see, actually, this is a good time to show you what my hair looks like after a week of my silk press. So as you can still see, I have body, there's movement. The hair looks great. Like, is this a hair video or grocery haul? Don't mind my clothes. I've just been in the garden. So yeah, so you see that the hair still has great movement, it's still flowy, it's still doula, you know? And I know this is not a hair video, but if you watch how I straighten my hair, you can see one pass and your hair still looks good, it still has body, it still has movement after a week. And I didn't put anything in my hair except for marula oil, and that's it. And I did that one time. So one time, wrapped it on my hands, put it through my hair, and that was the end of it. So for today's grocery haul, side note, okay? So anyway, side note over. For today's grocery haul, I didn't need much things. Last week I bought a whole bunch of stuff, so this week there was really nothing after the Costco haul and a grocery haul. I was pretty full. As usual, the Delissio pizzas, I got those. So I went to Walmart, and this time I did a Walmart online grocery pickup because I didn't need much, and they were offering, if you did it online, you'd get $15 off. So if you want to take advantage, go ahead. It's online, so just Google Walmart coupons and you'll be able to save some money. So with my Walmart grocery pickup, I got Delissio pizzas, 5 of them. Then blueberries, because I make the blueberry muffins, so I like to get them frozen because blueberries will go bad like in 2 seconds. More chocolate chips. Oops. As usual, I was out of the regular chocolate chips for my cookies. Brown sugar, just 1 bag. And the chocolate chips were $3.48. The blueberries were on special for $5.97. And the brown sugar was $3.48 also. And then the pizzas were $6.87. Yeah, I'm getting better. I can do that on top of my head. And then the milk was $4.44. And this is the one I get. It's the one that does not affect my lactose intolerance. Hold on. There we go. I didn't get these yogurts. I was supposed to get the smaller pack. So it was 8 for 2 for $4, but they didn't have it. So this was my substitution, which was the 12. And they gave me 2 packs of those as a substitution. And the way Walmart works is if they have to substitute, they will give you a better or equivalent to what you've ordered. So that they asked me if I wanted this, and I said yes. And it cost the same, 2 for $8. Bananas, not the ones I would normally pick, but they'll be good, they'll be fine. Hair dye, because it's that time again, my grays are starting to show. So probably next week when I do a wash, I will do a dye since I won't be straightening that week. And that was $8.84. Then sweet potatoes, as usual. And it was $1.89 a pound for the sweet potato. And the Swiffer cloths were $9.97. They were on sale, and I got the lavender scented one, and it was $32 come into that. I like using this like for under the beds where it gets nice and dusty. Then I got Vaseline, petroleum jelly, because I'm black and we use Vaseline. That's it for my grocery haul. So my initial total was $98.47, but there's one item that was not available. They didn't have any at all. That was the chicken wings. So that was off my bill. So basically it was $9.47 minus $14.98 with taxes, comes up to $15 and like, let's say 38 cents, let's give or take. So I got those. I went to Maxi, and another bad experience. I went to another one, and it was, I guess corporate is kind of giving instructions to the cashiers and things are just not going as it used to. So everybody's trying to get adjusted to the new system, and it's just going crazy. So it wasn't a great experience, and my sister was on the phone, so she knows exactly what I'm talking about. It was just like, okay, really, where are you? But hey, it is what it is. I needed the things that they had on sale, so I went. I got 2 cases of juice, and it was 96 cents each juice, and I bought 24 as I normally, I bought 24 as I normally do. Then I got some beans and some corn. I can show you that, hold on. I got just the regular full corn and beans. I like to make a quick snack with that using pita bread. And that's it. That's all I spent. And at Maxi, I ended up spending, I think it was like $40. Hold on, let me get my bill. I'll be right back. So Maxi, I spent $53.24 at Maxi, and that was for the juices and the beans. I bought 4 in total of the beans and stuff. And then I went to the garden center, and it was glorious. So I got more mulch because I'm creating a new garden space, which I'll be sharing with you. So if you keep watching, you guys will see that. Well, not on this video, but the next video. I got all my annual plants from, I got those from Costco a couple days ago. And then I got potting soil because I have these big pots. I'm wondering if I should pot them up with you guys. But yeah, I got these big pots, so I have to fill those up. And so I needed 20 bags of potting soil from the Miracle Grow. And then I put like extra fertilizer into that to make my flowers nice and big. And yeah, and I bought some plants at the garden center, and I got roses. So it's like my first time getting roses. These ones, you don't have to deadhead. You don't have to like cover in the winter time, because I do live in Canada and I'm a zone 4B, so it does get quite cold. So anyways, my next video, I think it's gonna be gardening, and I'm excited to share that side of my world with you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.